how to find download audio quality settings on Spotify. Easy and quick. First open Spotify and then click on your profile here and top corner, and once you're here click settings. Now here we'll find it audio quality, and if you can't find it here then all you need to do just scroll down and you will find it, and that's it. Now just go to the second one here, download, and then here you can change download quality, and that's it. Then after that just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.